Hi everyone, I want to show you another version of how to grill your chicken. And of course, try to buy organic chicken thighs when possible. We're going to need some lemon juice, cilantro, parsley, salt, pepper, paprika, ground cumin, ground coriander, some oil, and also some ground chili powder. That's if you want a little kick to it, and some garlics, of course. So this recipe is easy to do. All you gotta do is put it into a food processor and combine it. So let's get our food processor out and place the oil, salt, pepper, ground paprika, ground coriander, ground the others, and the garlic, ground cumin, I wanted to say. So once you have all of that, let's blend it up, pulse it a few times so the garlic will be chopped up really good. So just like that, you don't see any garlic floating. Then you just want to cut off the ends of the parsley and the cilantro and wash and pat dry. And then we're going to also put into a food processor, and we want to pulse it maybe 5 times so you kind of get these big pieces still. It's just going to be pretty in the end once you start grilling the chicken. So don't puree it all the way. So you want to leave some green chunks just like that. So here's our chicken. I know some of you don't wash it, but I like to wash it. And so my chicken's ready, and we're just gonna pour this delicious sauce over the delicious marinade, I should say, over our chicken. And you just want to refrigerate it for at least 4 hours. It just needs to stay in the marinade, or you can do it overnight. I've done it for 24 hours as well. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. And yeah, the lemon juice. I think I might have forgot to say you add the lemon juice, but yeah, you squeeze all the lemon juice. The more the better, right? Make it a little soury, as I like it. So cover with plastic food wrap, and off way it goes into the refrigerator. So the time has come for its grilling. So here's the chicken. So my husband's gonna take over with the grilling part. And let's see what he's got. So it's a beautiful day out for grilling. You just want to have the heat on 350, 375, 400, around there, and you just want to place it, and then you want to cover. So you want to close the grill and let it cook until it's done. Pretty much you can open with a knife and you can still see the blood coming or not. So it takes about maybe 5 to 10 minutes on each side. And then you want to flip and cook the other side. And then once it's fully cooked, put it on your plate. And it's ready to be put in our tummies. It's so good. My children even loved it, even with that green stuff, which they don't normally eat. So like, subscribe, share, comment.